Hi, welcome to Math Test Prep, where today we're going to answer a standardized math test question where we identify solutions to inequalities. We're asked to consider this inequality, 2x plus 5.5 less than 20. We want to select two values of x that would make the inequality true. Let's start with identifying that we have 5 answer choices and we need to identify 2. We have our inequality, which we're going to start with 2x plus 5.5 less than 20, and we are evaluating this for these values. 2 of these values will make this true when replacing x. So we'll start with choice A. 2 times the numerical value 9 over 4 plus 5.5 needs to be less than 20. 2 times 9/4 is 4.5. 4.5 plus 5.5 is 10. 10 is less than 20, it checks, so A is one of our solutions. Let's move to B. We're going to take our inequality, we're going to replace the x with that numerical value of 19/2. When we multiply, 2 times 19/2 is 19. 19 plus 5.5 is 24.5, and that is not a true statement. 24.5 is greater than 20. Let's start with the next one. We're going to identify that we're replacing the x with the numerical value 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 plus 5.5 is 15.5, and that is less than 20. So there you have it. We only needed 2, so our answer choices are A and C. No more math needed.